We've got a lot of young people who are quite undecisive about what they actually want to do, so we've lots of information for them to sort of sink their teeth into and maybe hopefully make a decision about something they like to try, potentially what they can do as a job long term.
It's been really fun, there's been a lot to do. I'm quite interested in beauty and after GCSEs maybe going to art college, so that's been great to learn about and what's available.
It's not just like one set path, it's all different paths you can go down.
I think it's important that the students get as wide a view as they can of the opportunities that are available in their area. It just broadens their horizons really. They can see which employers are available in the area, the sort of courses, they get really up-to-date information.
We're here raising awareness that the actual career in the fire service is open to everybody, male and female.
The students that's going to visit the centre can actually lay some bricks or cut some wood, talk to each apprentice to see what it's like in the trade.
I definitely attend again. It's been my first one here and I'm really quite impressed with the fact that there's a great sort of range of companies here, really encouraging young people. So yes, if you're a teacher and you're thinking about coming, I definitely think it would be a good activity for your students to take part in.
My son wanted to find out more about engineering, so this was an event that was highlighted through a letter we received, which we're very grateful for because we didn't know about it. So that's why we're here, we're just coming to find more information.
I've gone around and asked about some business and admin kind of apprenticeships, and so far I've been pretty pleased because I found out a lot more. It's been really accessible, and I'll definitely come back again and recommend it.
We've currently got around about 200 different jobs to offer, so many jobs, and it's quite diverse opportunities really, yeah.
Anything practical I think the students have really responded really well to.
They've got so much on offer and everything like that, so it makes you really want to get involved.
If we get them here and they can actually touch what they're looking at doing, talk to these youngsters, explain the importance of it is to actually get the education that they need to achieve this.
Sow the seed at an early age, get them encouraged, embrace the fact that they're all young and enthusiastic.
Every year we've been here, we've actually taken on at least 2 apprentices from the show.